Located on a raised lot graced with mature banyan and oak trees, this solid CBS pool home offers 4 true bedrooms and 3 full baths. New roof, new AC, new drain field, new hot water heater, new pool screen, and new fence makes this home complete with all the upgrades. The interior is complemented with stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, cathedral ceilings, crown molding, split plant and open living spaces. The exterior has a wonderful screened pool area with a covered patio surrounded by a privacy-fenced backyard perfect for entertaining. Over $90,000 of improvements in the last 2 years.